Hello, let's talk about the minimum operation to make array equal. So you're given the length n of the array, then we have to generate an array based on this calculation. And then this is actually pretty straightforward. If you read through the question, you just have to find out how many times you can add on a number to be equal to itself. So you have, if n equal to 3, right? And then you have 1, 3, and 5. So how do you actually make this array equal to each other, right? So for every single time you decrement by 1 and increment by 1, they are just based on your calculation. So for this one, so I will have to make an array equal to 3 because 3 will be the middle one, and then when they find out the difference, the 3 is actually the shortest path, right? So I can actually increment 1 for 1 and decrement 1 for 5. And I'll do it again, which is 3 and 3. So how many steps? 1 and 2, 2 steps, right? So how about when n equal to 4, right? So when n equal to 4, the array is what? 1, 3, 5, and 7. Alright, so we probably have a hard time to find out what is the middle, right? So actually the middle is the average in these two numbers, so which is 4, right? So when I have 4, right? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to increment 3 by 1 unit and decrement 1 by for 5. So this is what? 4 and 4. So this is 1 step. And this one, okay, another color. This is 2. And then this is 6. So keep going. 3 and 5. And then I will do it again. So which is 4, 4, right? So how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total is 4 steps, right? So this is pretty much it, right? So if you know the math behind it, so we'll have to we'll have to go through the for loop based on the n. So we'll calculate how many operations we have for the current n, and it looks like it's 2, right? So if n equal to 2, if n equal to 3, right, and then the operation is actually 2, right? We will just have to decrement the n by every single traversal. I have to decrement by 2, and then operation will just keep adding, right? And so on for this one. So operation for this one is actually 3, and then if I decrement the n by 2 unit, right, I will find out this, right? So I will have to get rid of this, to be honest, because since n is already used, n decrement by 2, so these two numbers are already used. I'm going to find out these two, right? So this is one operation left, right? So 3 plus 1. So look at this, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, right? And this is 1, which is the middle, right? So this is actually the math behind. So if you don't know, just have to go through the math, right? So I have the result, then well, n greater than 0, right? And then I will have to return result, which is operation, to be honest. So I will say result plus equal, and then n minus 1, right? And then n will decrement every time for 2 units, right? So this is the solution. And submit. Alright, let's talk about time and space. This is going to be time, this is going to be space. Space is constant, time is n over 2, which is all of n. And this is a solution, and I'll see you next time. Bye.